Isn't it a demo that the mind can connect anything to everything, everything to anything? True or false? Anybody challenges? You cannot, because you are part of that system. Your own mission is also capable of doing that, isn't it? Now the point is not challenging, making use of it. When I challenge, please don't think otherwise. It's just to stimulate some interest, right? We'll move on. Yes.
See, we said that we will understand the system and we'll also find ways to repair a system. Madim, we have a fantastic hardware person, he repairs any kind of computer issues. Now, the only way to repair any system is to stand behind the system, stand outside the system, right? See, if you ask somebody on the street, hey, is the planet rotating? If you ask them, what will they say? No, it's normal only, it's not rotating. It's not, you don't feel the rotation. Why we don't feel the rotation is because we are part of the system. We are inside it. Sometimes you felt guilty, sometimes based upon this, if you were to give yourself a score, between 0 to 100, 0 being you don't deserve much score, 100 means you deserve maximum score, you'll all be somewhere in between, based upon how you have lived your life. Your mind knows, because it connects anything to everything. It's an internal reference mechanism. Close your eyes for 2 minutes and ask yourself what score you deserve. Ask yourself what score you deserve. Please close your eyes. Let's do this exercise. One we call conditioned mind. One we call as the conditioned mind. Now the conditioned mind is a set of random inputs that have gone from your childhood. We'll talk about how the conditioned mind forms. And the other one, we'll call it as real you.
A computer cannot choose to say, I have one program inside, but I'll operate another program. Will it say? What you program it, it'll just pop it up. That's it. So, how conditioning is basically formed in a human being, it's an experiment. Govind will explain to you now.
You'll say, today I'll be very controlled in my emotion. Nobody provocates, I will not respond or react. It will come and you will burst out. Right? And today I will not spend even 1 rupee on that new gadget. New gadget, I'll not spend, but there'll be a beautiful advertisement in the newspaper. iPhone 5, immediate offer, sale, discount. That is the stimulus. The response is automatic. You bought it. The money is gone. Today, not swipe my credit card at all. You will be thinking, there will be a stimulus. Okay, chodo, last time I will buy and forget it. Okay, you'll use the credit card.
Yeah, we need to go beyond conditioning. I'm giving you lighter examples. You know what conditioning files you carry within you, isn't it? He is bad. She is bad. That community is bad, isn't it? They are always like that. Life is bad. You have already written. No validity. Somebody told you, you have written. Is there a validity? Is there a validity? Whenever Indo-Pakistan match happens, my son will ask, younger son, Appa, who will you side with? I said, Pakistan. Why not? Sportsmen only are playing, it's not a war, isn't it? We are programmed. Our country, there is nothing wrong about loving our country, but why not another country's players? What is wrong?
And he's behaving in an arrogant way, and mother says 10 times, all wealthy people are arrogant like this. The mind immediately puts a file saying that if you are wealthy, you will become arrogant. So I will always be humble and poor. See, this is how conditioning works. I will touch, afternoon I'll have a very powerful session with you all on money and how the money beliefs, every area there is a belief. You need to get over that and how money beliefs are there and how to come over that and, attract more wealth into your life. Come over this belief. Now, role modeling happens like this because people will do, that only, whatever. See,
now, shall we do one thing? in the computer language, can we disconnect our electric circuit to this disk? Shall we do it? Because there are many things which have not allowed you to go the way you wanted to go, right? There are roadblocks. There are negative beliefs, isn't it? Disempowering files are there. So shall we disconnect it and operate from another disk? And this disk has about, not many, only 9,990 files for you to follow on a daily basis. Unhappy? Okay, 99? Only 9. Is that okay? Happy? With that, with those 9 laws, you can change your life completely. And it is an undertaking, it is a promise that your life will happen the way you desire if you align yourself to the new disk called RealU files. RealU files.
Which is right, which is wrong, nobody knows. One may be right for somebody, one may be right for somebody else, one may be somebody scolding a child, punishing a child is wrong for somebody. Whereas, raping someone or creating a big crime is okay for someone. That way, then that means there is a reference point which is missing. That reference point, because the reference is based on conditioning somebody else's input, not on constants, which is always working. There is no real excellence in all this world which can be separated from right living. Apart from this, you cannot say that there is excellence. Self-honesty is feeling honesty. So this is that process where what you did and felt guilty about, you need to ask your partner. And regret, omissions, what you did not want to do but did it, and what you did not want to do but you didn't do, basically. You failed doing that. You failed doing that. So you regret it. Oh, I should have done that.